This video is designed for those of you who've bought some of my code templates from my Buy Me a Coffee page. First of all, thanks for the support. I appreciate it. And here's a guide on how to use the templates and customize them for yourself. Once you've bought a code template, you are going to receive a zip file. What I want you to do is extract everything that's inside the zip file into another folder. Once everything is extracted, I want you to copy that folder into your desktop. Then go to your browser and search for Visual Studio Code and download VS Code for your system. Once Visual Studio Code is downloaded, you are going to drag this folder into it to open it in Visual Studio Code. Once inside, you are going to go to the Extensions tab and install an extension called Lifesaver. This will give you a Go Live button here to launch your web applications. So once this is done installing, you are going to find index.html in the project and click on Start here. This will launch your project here. As you can see, all the pages are here. On most of my projects, I use Firebase as our database, so you will need to create your own Firebase project and replace my Firebase credentials with yours here so that the data inputted into your app goes to you. So you're going to need to replace this with your own. Go to firebase.google.com. Click on Create Project. Give your project a name. Disable Analytics and create your project. Once your project is created, you are going to click on Web App and give your web app a name. And then click on Register. Once you are here, you are going to click on the script tag and then copy your Firebase credentials here. You are going to need to replace these credentials with your own on any file that has them. So check all the files and replace them with your own Firebase credentials. Once all of them are replaced, you are going to go back to Firebase and then select Authentication and then Get Started. Enable email and password authentication and Google login authentication because I use these two a lot in my project. Once the sign-in providers are enabled, you are going to need to go back to a web application and copy the URL here. Once you've copied the URL, go back to Firebase, then click on Authentication and then Settings and Authorized Domains and add this domain to your authorized domains. You'll need to erase the URL in the port and click on Add. Once this is added, you should be able to use your Firebase project normally. So go to the Register page and register a user and use that user to log in the login page. You can play around with the code and customize everything and make it your own. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.